Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Clash Royale to your Google Play account 2025, step by step. Whether you just got a new device or want to save your progress safely, this guide will help you link your account in just a few taps. Let's get started. First is open your Clash Royale in your mobile devices. In the top right, click the three lines and click the settings. In the setting, my account is already connected, but if you want to change it, click the connected. Click again the settings menu. In the settings, you can change email, change it to the Google Play email you use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Clash Royale on Google Play 2025. Now your game progress is safe and synced. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.